Study of fungal specimen in laboratory, practical biology class 11. A small piece of specimen was taken in a slide with the help of forceps and it was smeared in a thin layer with the help of forceps and needle. Then it was stained with a drop of cotton blue and again smeared for a while, after which it was covered with the help of cover glass with the help of needle. There should be no air bubble while putting the cover slip. Then it was followed by the student in the same manner, after which it was seen under the microscope. That shows filamentous fungal body which are multicellular. We can see the specimen under low as well as high power, where we can see mycelium as well as the sporangial structure.